In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a sleek dashboard animation in Figma, Part 1. We'll start by grabbing a high-quality starting point from the Figma community and then make it your own with clean typography, consistent colors, and a layout that's ready for animation in the next part. First, open the Figma website in your browser. We'll be working in the web interface, which makes it easy to preview and import community resources. Once the page loads, look toward the top navigation and click Community. This is where creators share templates, UI kits, and prototypes that you can adapt for your project. In the search bar, type Dashboard Animation and press Enter. You'll see a range of results, from minimalist admin dashboards to more visual analytics boards. Take a moment to scan the thumbnails and read the brief descriptions. Look for a template that mentions interactions or prototyping, since that usually means it's structured with animations in mind. When you find one that matches your style and purpose, select the template by clicking on it. You'll land on the template's detail page with previews and notes from the creator. This is a great place to confirm what's included and check how frames and components are organized. When you're ready, click Open in Figma. The file will open in the editor so you can start customizing right away. Once you're in, feel free to customize everything. Begin by reviewing the Layers panel to understand how the file is built. If the template uses components, styles, or auto layout, keep that structure intact. It'll make your edits faster and your animations smoother later. Update the text first. Pick a clear hierarchy by choosing one font for headings and another for body copy, or stick to one family with different weights. Set consistent sizes and line spacing so your dashboard reads cleanly at a glance. Next, change the colors to fit your brand or concept. Define a small, focused palette, a primary color for highlights and actions, a neutral range for backgrounds and text, and an accent if needed. Update color styles if the file has them, so changes propagate across the entire design. Aim for good contrast to keep labels and metrics legible. Finally, refine the layout. Use auto layout and tidy up spacing, padding, and alignment so cards and charts line up consistently. Group related elements and keep components reusable. This pays off when we animate transitions in Part 2. Once your fonts, styles, colors, and layout feel cohesive, you've set a solid foundation for a sleek dashboard animation.